I'd ask, is there any legal reason my sentence cannot proceed this way?
I have no idea. None from my end.
Any statement you'd like to make?
Yes. I'd like to begin with a quotation from the late constitutional scholar Ronald Dworkin. Dworkin once argued that, quote, "A citizen has a moral responsibility not only to form convictions of one's own, but to express these to others out of respect and concern for them, and out of a compelling desire that truth be known, justice served, and the good secured." Unquote. I would argue that judges are also citizens and have similar responsibility. I would further argue that while judges, indeed all citizens, have a moral responsibility to express our convictions, to serve justice, and to secure the common good, we also all have the responsibility to act on those convictions. Acting on our convictions is exactly what the 17 of us did at the Hancock Reaper Drone Base on October 25th, 2012. I have a few qualms about accepting whatever legal maximum prison sentence you have the power to impose. After all, any such penalty, any such power, can only be trivial compared to the death sentences the drone chain of command, totally without due process, imposes on non-combatants in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and other Islamic countries. Regarding this court's custom of not only incarcerating citizens exercising their civic responsibilities, but levying onerous fines on them, I can find no discernible link between such penalties and justice. Nor can I see any link between this court's penchant for issuing orders of protection for the safety of already exceptionally well-protected Hancock-based commanders, men themselves deeply complicit with the drone killing machine. A killing machine vaporizing and otherwise obliterating innocent human beings. Indeed, were I a judge, I would charge you, sir, with contempt of judicial process for having imposed these surrealistic orders of protection and for having allowed yourself to be co-opted by that killing machine. Sir, you and I both know that according to the Article 6 of the Constitution, international law trumps both local and federal law. You surely have sworn to uphold that Constitution, so it's likely you have studied the U.S. Constitution and constitutional law. But to refresh our memory, let me quote Article 6. This Constitution and the laws of the United States, which shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made or which shall be made under the authority of the United States, shall be the supreme law of the land, and the judges in every state shall be bound thereby. Anything in the Constitution or laws of any state to the contrary notwithstanding. I believe that in finding us guilty of disorderly conduct, you have chosen to ignore your oath to uphold the U.S. Constitution. Some have died defending that Constitution, a Constitution I value, but far higher in my mind than even heeding that document is Ronald Dworkin's standard of the common good and the standard of justice. And by those standards, I believe your verdict is fatal.